Hello students, good morning students. Today's our standard 4 subject environmental part 2 means EVS 2 lesson number 5 Shivaji's education. Previous we learned about the Shivaji Maharaj, Shahaji Raje, and this previous lesson we learned about the Shivaji Maharaj childhood. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn Shivaji's education. So, see, let's start our lesson. The beginning of Shivaji's education. Shahaji Raje himself was a scholar of Sanskrit in the Bangalore court. He had under a patronage artist and a scholar of the various languages. He appointed intelligent teachers for Shivaji. Shivaji's education began when he became 7 years old. Soon, Shivaji became skilled in the arts and reading and writing. He began to read the stories of Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad on his own to teach him. Wherefore, Shahaji Raje had appointed some teachers. They began to teach Shivaji to ride a horse, to wrestle, to use the sword and the danpatta. Thus, at the age of 12, Shivaji Maharaj became acquainted with the different branches of learning and arts. Soon, Adil Shah sent Shahaji Raje on the expeditions to conquer the state of the Naikas in Karnataka. Before setting out upon the expeditions, Shahaji Raje sent Jijabai and Shivaji to Pune. With them, he sent elephants, horses, and infantry. A tracery of the flag as also trusted ministers, brave general, and the renowned the teachers. So, see the students, when Adil Shah called Shahaji Raje, then Karnataka for the conquer the state of the Naikas, then Shahaji Raje sent Jijabai and Shivaji in Pune. So, next point, the reservations of Pune. The Jijabai and Shivaji returned to Pune. Shivaji remembered his childhood days which he had spent on Shivneri Fort. He could see the lofty peaks of Sahyadris again and he became very happy. Pune at the time was not such a big city. It was totally devastated by Shahaji Raje's enemy. Means Shahaji Raje's enemies were there. They waste that Pune city. They see the properties, Shahaji Raje's properties, means the first, the Pune and Supe Pargana got the Shahaji Raje, means that Pune city, the enemies of the Shahaji Raje destroyed. So properties were also damaged. Houses were demolished, temples had collapsed, and the frightened peoples had fled from their villages. Fields had become burned. Thick forest had grown. Woods roamed in the countrysides. Then Pune thus were totally in the shambles and ruins. Means whole the Pune city was damaged. So when the people living around come to know that the Jijabai has returned to Pune with Shivaji, they took hurt. Jijabai called all of them and recited them that they would be safe in Pune. People started settling his Pune that cultivating their lands. Jijabai had a disciplined temples repaired. Then the temples worship began morning and evenings. The town was again thronging with people. Thus the Pune was totally transferred. The next topic is there, the achievements of Dadaji Konde. See, we will going to learn about the Dadaji Konde. When the Jijabai and the Shivaji were in Karnataka, Dadaji Konde looked after the Pune Jahagir. When Shahaji Raje, Jijabai and Shivaji were Pune, that time that Pune Jahagir looked after the Dadaji Konde, and he was a Subedar of Kondana. He was a very faithful, he was strict and efficient and honest in his work. He was also just and strict disciplinarian. He served with devotion. At about this time, a big Vada, a residence of built in Pune by the order of Shahaji Raje. It came to be known as a Lal Mahal. To encourage the peasants to till their lands, Dadaji gave them the concessions in the land tax for a few years. He oppressed price for destroying the wolves which the infested at countrysides and harassed the peasants. So many wolves were killed. He raised the peasants, the patrols, and the protect life and the property from the gang of the thieves who roam he countrysides. He fixed land revenues according to the quality of the soil. He thus made the peoples happy. So Dadaji Konde do a very nice work. Shivaji's education. When Shivaji returned to Pune, his education continues under the supervision of Jijabai. While returning from the Bangalore, Jijabai and Shivaji were accompanied by eminent teachers sent by the Shahaji Raje. They taught him many science branches of learning and languages. Shivaji acquired the knowledge of the excellent administrations were tactics for architecture and selection of the horses and the elephants, ways of the spying from the difficult enemies, territories, and the many other things. Shivaji's progress in education pleased Jijabai very much. Jijabai looked properly about the Shivaji Maharaj's education. What the Veer Mata Jijabai taught Shivaji. See, the Veer Mata Jijabai means Jijabai was no ordinary woman, means not any common woman. She was a daughter of the mighty Sardar Lakhuji Jadhav and the wife of the brave William Shahaji Raje. She had inherited the knowledge of the politics and the welfare from the infancy. In her wards, witnessed the confluence of the marital traditions of the famous houses of the Jadhavs and Bhosles. She was a freedom-loving person with a great sense of pride. She had learned through bitter experience that however much a Maratha Sardar displayed the value, it was not appreciated in the court of the sultans. She had valiantly faced the shock of her father's murder in open courts of Nizam Shah. She had the resolve that her son Shivaji would never be engaged in the services of others. he would establish the rule of his own people, Swaraj. She was bringing up Shivaji with that idea. See the student next page. The people living in the Mawal region were called the Mawlas. They were loyal, hardworking and quick-footed. No one could surpass them in hardiness, but they were harassed by the Sultan. Rules. The armies of the sultans used to plunder their villages, forcing the peoples to abandon their places. Nobody could from them. Shivaji's ear to do the something for these poor, miserable peoples. Means that time the situation is not proper. As you know that Adil Shah and Mughal Nizam Shah's rule over on whole Maharashtra. So they not look after welfare their subjects. So the peoples are not happy. Peoples are very tired and unhappy. So this all situation that Shivaji Maharaj saw and means he yearned to do some things for these poor or miserable people. Means he wanted to do some things for the unhappy peoples. Then he talked about the Jijamata. Then Jijamata also tell him on the returning home, Shivaji will talk about the mother Jijabai, would say Shubha Sri Ramachandra is the ancestor of the Bhosles. The Rama killed Ravans and made his people happy. The ancestors of the Jatus is the Sri Krishna. Then he killed the Kans and brought the reliefs to the peoples. You are the descendants of the both, Sri Rama and Sri Krishna. You can also destroy the wicked and make your subject happy. Then Jijamata told him to you also do the good work like Rama and Krishna. Then to bring our subject happy means the people's for people's happiness. So let's see, these words of the Jijabai were the source and inspirations to young Shivaji. He would remember the brave deeds of heroes of the past like Rama, Krishna, Bhim, Arjun. He thought of them all the time, whether asleep or awake. Then he felt that he too must fight against injustice as they did, and like them destroy the wicked and bring happiness to his subject. He thought that he should become courageous and brave like these heroes of old. So students, see the next topic, the new regimes of Shivaji. In Pune, Jahangir, the new regime of Shivaji began under the guidance of Jijabai. Shahajiraje had already made the preparations for this. When Shahajiraje sent Shivaji from Bangalore to Pune, he sent some very powerful and prestigious people with him. They were Shamrao, Nilkantha, Peshwe, Balkrishna Hanumante, Mujumdas, Mankoji, Dahatonde, Sarnobat, Raghunath, Balal Sabnis, Sonoban Dabir. These were all able fit administered as the independent kingdom. Shahajiraje had specially deputed them to Pune to help Shivaji govern his Jahangir effectively. With their help, Shivaji began to administer his Jahangir to attend the people's grievances. Those who inflicted injustice upon the royal were punished. In way Shahaji Raje's Jahangir was undergoing the transformation, the Maulas got a glimpse of the future Swaraj. It was as it were a dawn of the Swaraj. So the students next point, Shivaji's marriage. In those days, people married at a very early age. So Jijamata said, we should now get Shobha's married. Then a search of a suitable bride for Shobha began. Soon they found the girl she wanted. Her name was Saibai. Saibai came from the Nimbalkar family of Falta. The marriage of the celebrated with a great splendor. And means students, now this our top lesson, the education of Shivaji's education is here over. You learn the lesson properly, read the lesson properly and learn the question answer as well. Now see students, we are going to see the exercise. First see the fill in the blanks. The Shahaji Raje was a scholar of in Sanskrit. People living in the Maula region were called the Maulas. In who appointed the teachers for Shivaji and where the Shahaji Raje appointed teachers for Shivaji in Pune. What did the teachers began to teach the Shivaji? So teachers began to teach the Shivaji the many science branches of learning and languages. Next question, why did Dadaji Kondev give the concessions of the land tax of peasants? The Dadaji Kondev gave concession in the land tax of the peasants to encourage them to till their lands. So, see the students, next question. Why did Shahaji Raje send Jijabai and Shivaji to Pune? Shahaji Raje sent Jijabai and Shivaji to Pune because he was sent on the expeditions in Karnataka by Adil Shah. Then, see the students, next question is that what shock did Jijabai face the Valentine? The Jijabai Valentine faced the shock of her murder in open court at the Nizam Shah. Write about the Shivaji's marriage. Shivaji was married to Saibai from the Nimbalkar family, Falta. See the students, then here one question is there for you. Name the person. Subedar of Kondana. Who was the Subedar of Kondana? The Dadaji Kondev. Built Lal Mahal, Dadaji Kondev. The Valentine faced the shock of her father's murder, Jijabai. And name of the Shivaji's wife, Saibai. Students, see the complete the tables. The Shamrao Nilkantha, the designations is there, the Peshwe, and the Balkrishna Hanumante, Muzumdar, the Mankoji Dahar Tonde, Sarnobar, Raghunath, Balal, Sabnis, and Sonopant was Dabir. These all ministers in the Shahaji Raje's court. So, see the students, these all ministers Shahaji Raje sent with Jijabai and Shivaji to the Pune to look, take care of the Pune Jahangir and Shivaji's and Jijabai's. So students, this our lesson is over here. Take care of yourself and stay home, safe home. Thank you.